What's good, y'all? We back with another one. In today's video, as you can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, we're gonna be doing a clothing review slash unboxing from the brand Tapped In Sneakers. Tapped In Sneakers is a brand that hit me up, showing some love on IG, saying that they wanted to send me some graphic tees to make a video on to help them grow and just to show support to a small YouTuber, you know. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be letting y'all know how much these tees cost, the sizes I got, and an on-body try-on, so y'all can kind of get the visual of how it looks on me. If you guys are planning to order this. Before we get into the video, you already know, make sure to leave a like on this video, comment, and most importantly, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss when I post. Follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. That will be in the link tree in the description, as well as Tapped In Sneakers Instagram if you want to go check them out. But with saying that, let's get into the video. Let's go. All right, y'all. So before we get into the video, like I said, I want to shout out Tapped In Sneakers. It's their Instagram right there. Their links will be all in the description below as well if you want to go check them out. And then quick disclaimer to Tapped In Sneakers, I'm pretty sure they're going to watch this when I tag them in it on Instagram. Sorry that this video took so long to make. I sent them my address to send this to at my college when I was at school. They kind of got backed up a little bit, so they shipped it out way later than I thought. And by the time they shipped it out, I was already done with college and I was back at home. So I had to get my mailroom at my school to send it back to my house. So I had to wait an extra week or two to get it from the day it was shipped. So yeah, that's why it took so long. And with saying that, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I'm 5'5", 5'6". I weigh 172 pounds, as you can see, muscular build. So that's the size. Prices of these, if I'm not mistaken, they range between, I'll say 30 and 40. Like I said, they sent me these as a gift to show some love. So I'm not 100% sure of the prices. Like I said, their links will be down in the description, so you can check them out yourselves. But I would say upwards of like 40 bucks. Sizes, I got size large on all of these. So I wanted to fit oversized, so we're gonna see how they look. And yeah, let's get into what they sent. So starting off, it did come in this just black regular package. It came with these fire stickers. It got one that says, "Say you love me." I might put this on the back of my phone. This is kind of fire. Got two Supreme stickers, as you can see, black and red. Got this Cause like Elmo type looking sticker. And then they gave me this Bape in the bathtub with the shower cap on sticker. Really, really fire. I love brands that do that, that throw in little things like that. It just makes the package more like, I guess, fulfilling when you get it. So happy about that. And then they did ask me what tees I wanted, and not, I can see which ones they sent me now, but I asked for a Javante Tank Davis tee. I asked for a Michael Myers tee, and then a Pennywise tee, because everyone knows Pennywise is probably my #1, tied with Michael Myers when it comes to horror. I love horror, as you can see. Got the eyes tatted right there. So yeah. So it comes in this little not nylon, but like see-through Ziploc type bag like most brands do. Got the size large on it. And as you can clearly probably seen already, this is the Pennywise one. So off rip, this is the gray. It was like a gray acid wash Pennywise. It's very, very thick already off rip, so the quality is really good. I'm not just saying that because they're showing me love. This is like, you can clearly look and see this is a thick tee. On the inside it says, I'm not gonna say, I don't wanna get monetized, but it says fly, you know, only, fly stuff only. And it has their little TappedInSneakers.com, 100% cotton, made in LA, size large. It does have a little weird smell, probably just like when they got it manufactured, so you might wanna wash this or like drench it in no, you probably wanna wash this and then drench it in cologne after, but yeah, this is the tee. Let me open it up. Boom, that's the Pennywise. The Pennywise big face tee right here. This is really, really tough. I really mess with this. The back, just plain, and it doesn't look too big. It looks like the perfectly sized, oversized fit. So this is the first one. I'm gonna try it on at the end, so stick around to the end to see the try on. And then the second one we got is the Javante Tank Davis tee. I'm not the biggest boxing fan, but I like Tank Davis, and it was a really tough shirt. So this one's really, really hard because this is a front and back. Let me get a look at it first. That's tough, so yeah, that's hard. So it says, as you can see, got Tank on it. Tank Davis, really, really tough. And that's not all, though. The back is the crazy part. I'm not gonna lie, the back to this goes down. It got him fighting, I can't see who was fighting in this, but as you can see, got him training on there with his championship belt. It says Tank Davis with his signature, and it has kind of like it looks like a little breakdown of who Tank Davis is, like when he was born, all that types of stuff. Really, really fire tee. But yeah, this is the second one. I think this is my favorite one, even though I love Pennywise. This one is just cool with the details on the back. So yeah, those are both of the tees. Now let's try them on. Let's go. All right, y'all, so that was the on body try on. Like I said, I'm 5'5", closer to 5'6". I weigh about 172 pounds. As you can see, muscular build. So, you know, if y'all want to order from them and y'all want a really big oversized fit, get a large. But I would recommend, if that was a little too big for you, size down, because it would fit really good if you size down and you don't want that oversized fit. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to 5K as fast as possible. Check out Tapped In Sneakers, which will be in the link tree in the description. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy it. I'll catch y'all in the next one.